Alrighty, we have got exponential functions going on here. So we've got a car. It's depreciating. Depreciating means going down. You always go either up or down from 100%. So if I were to do a multiplier, I would say that I would multiply the next one by 0.94. How did I get that? Remember I said it's always going up or down from 100. Since it's 6% less than 100, you now have 94% left over. So that's what we have. And then we want to know, and that's per year. And then we want to know what it will be in 15. So we're just going to put to the 15 power. So this would be the exponential function that you would write. Let's go ahead and do this one here, and then we'll go ahead and go do these guys over here. So this one here, how much money will you have if you invest this? So this is your starting amount. And 12% interest compounded monthly. So that means that it's only 1% each month. And so we go from our 100%, and we say that this is our multiplier. So again, we're going up, we're investing it, we're getting money. This would be monthly. So if I want to know for 10 years, that would be 120 months. So this is what I need to plug into my calculator. So take a moment, plug that in, see what it is that you get. Hopefully you got that. This would be the correct answer if you plug that in correctly. All right. Let's go ahead and look at these guys over here. So we've got all sorts of things going on. And these, I'm just going to do them whatever order I feel like it. I love this problem because this problem has a 0, which means that is a 1. And so that is just bam, super duper easy. This one here, I like this one too because I'm like, okay, the cube root of 64, that's -4. We square it, that's positive 16. -4 times -4 is positive 16. So those two, done, done, happy days. Now this is a mess. So first of all, I want to go ahead and deal with the fact that these are all squared. So I'm going to, on the top, write this is 16 x squared and y to the -8. So now I've kind of dealt with that part. Let me make that a little bit larger so you can see that. Okay. And now I just need to reduce as much as, or move things around a little bit. So let's first of all deal with the fact that this is a 16 and a 24. 8 goes into both of them. That would be 2 times and 3 times. So now the 16 and the 24 are dealt with. I had an x squared on the top, and I need to move this guy up there. This one is a -8, so that needs to go downstairs, but this one is a -1, so that needs to go upstairs. So now what I need to do is say, all right, I've really got a total of 4 of those x's, and I have 7 more down here than I had up here, so it would be y to the 7th. So this would be my answer on that one. This one here is nice because it's there's no negatives inside here, so we can just flip everything. So I'm just going to do that so I don't even have to worry about my negative any longer. And now I just need to, so that's dealt with, and now I just need to reduce. So that goes in 2 times. And then I have 3 more of these than I do of those. And I have 1 more of these than I do of these ones here. So that would be it. All right, we've got 2 more to go. Can we do it? Can we do it? I can do it. Come on, let's get this party started. All right, so for this one here, first of all, I want to just simplify this in my brain so I know, because these are tough because you're trying to figure out 3 of these are right, and only 1 of them is wrong. So you want to kind of just simplify it first before you go all crazy looking at stuff. So this one here is 3's on top. And the 9, that's our new little function of things happening, is on the bottom. So it's really like x to the 1/3, which happy days is right there. So I know that one's okay. So then I'm looking at this going, okay, well, this is really 3 on top and 9 on the bottom. So that one's okay. This one is really x to the 1/3, which is what we said over here. I'm sorry. So that one's okay. This one here is x to the 9/3. That one is the one that is different. So this would be our answer of what is not equivalent to the problem there. All right, this is our last one. Let's make this so we can see the whole problem. All righty, for this little dude right here, this is decreasing. Every time I multiply by 1/5, I'm going to get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller because really I'm dividing by 5. So that means that this is what my graph is looking like. Okay, these are my options of where we're located. So we're located here at 3, we're located here at -6, we're located here at 0, and then we also have a 1/3. So I have ordered them in increasing value, and we want to know which of these numbers would produce something that is closest to this x-axis or this line. So hopefully you can see that that is the one that would do it. So this would be my answer.